Hadian ka jing sa priang ki video ki balapan ya ka jing Siat Pynma ki Pulit ka Meghalaya Knieh district ka badan Haryana hadian bagi patba kila temu ban nyom yaki namar ka jing kam ya webrio ubadan kti ha ka kam to pisa na ki ATM ha Meghalaya nakaliang ba Vivek IPS Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills district ula ai ka jing pensyai halor ka ni Habakran sikilat pathai kubor uba Vivek ulaong baka jing Siat Pynma ki Pulit da ka Suloi ka day namar ka jing ting jongki yala ka jing namar bakaladan ka jing temu jong uway na padang ki bertur sajan ka kali ban Knieh ya ka Suloi jongki.
What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility. Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped, but here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police, so we had to take precautionary measures.
We used to know about the vehicle. Was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. It was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds would your police have fired? How many rounds?
I think they fired about 17 rounds.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya